Hey, this is Dave Espino and welcome back. And today I'm answering the question, what's the best teaching platform to set up a course for, quote, how to make money online that earns income for every student that enrolls in it? Now, this is a very specific question, and I love it when people give me these specific questions. A lot of times people ask vague questions that require a lot of clarification, but this is a very specific question asking about where's the best place I can publish my course about the how to make money online niche, right? Well, that is a very specific question that is going to give you a very specific answer. So here's my very specific answer. If you got a course about how to make money online, there's basically three great platforms that you can publish that course on. The first one that I would recommend is WarriorPlus. Now, WarriorPlus is not really well known outside of the small internet marketing community, but in the internet marketing community, people know that WarriorPlus is the place where internet marketing courses live, right? That's where internet marketing courses exist. So if you have something about how to make money online, then WarriorPlus is the place to publish it because that's a ready market, a huge market of people that are looking for information on that topic. The next one, very similar to WarriorPlus, is called JVZoo. JV stands for joint venture. So jvzoo.com, that's another good one to publish any kind of how to make money online type of course. And the third one that I'd recommend is ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the oldest payment processors and affiliate networks, and a lot of the courses on there are make money online courses. Now, not all of them. ClickBank does have a wide variety of different topics that you can find there. But it does have a good community of make money online affiliates that would be willing to market your course for you. Now, if you've got a really standout course, if you've got something that's really cutting edge or really exciting or really new and awesome, then WarriorPlus and JVZoo would probably be your best bets, primarily because they also have affiliates that are always looking for a good product to market. So if you've got something really hot, really interesting, really cutting edge, then you're going to find some affiliates that start promoting your course. Not to mention that each of those sites, WarriorPlus and JVZoo, also have something called the deal of the day, where if the curators find something really hot, really exciting, they might promote your course as the deal of the day. In that case, you can expect a lot of sales coming in from either of those two websites, because they send out an email blast to all their members, and then what starts happening is the members get this email and they say, oh, that's a hot product, I want to promote it, and then they start requesting to be your affiliate and promoting your course as an affiliate. If you want to learn the insider secrets to making a massive passive income with online courses, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. And also, I've got a couple of free offers for you. You're going to want to get this download. It's called The World's Most Perfect Business. It's all about the online course business and how not only I'm making a lot of money with it, but a lot of other people are as well. So you're going to get that free download at daveespino.com/free book. And then the other freebie I have for you is a special webinar training that I'm doing all about the online course business, how you can get yourself to 6 figures with an online course business. And I'm not talking about creating 50 or 60 courses like I have. I'm talking about doing it with one comprehensive master class and how you can turn that into a 6, 7, and even 8-figure income. So you're going to want to attend that webinar, especially because I'm giving away all kinds of amazing gifts in the webinar as well. To register for the webinar, just go to daveespino.com/webinar. I look forward to seeing you on the webinar where I'm going to show you this incredible world that I call the world's most perfect business. So those are the best answers I can give you for a how to make money online course. Now here's what I do when I publish a how to make money online course on WarriorPlus or on JVZoo, and I've done a lot of these, by the way, is I give it a chance to launch a period of time, maybe a couple months, 2 or 3 months, for it to really run its course on those two platforms. And not to say that it's not going to keep making money. It'll keep making money over time, but the initial boost is in that launch period of the first 2 or 3 months, right? Once that period has passed, then I'll take that same course and I'll publish it on Udemy and maybe on some of these other marketplace websites like Skill Success, Skillshare, Amazing.com, Learningly, CyberU, and those kinds of things. So this way, that online course has a second life, right? It has its initial life in the launch phase on WarriorPlus or JVZoo, but then it has a second life, a more of a evergreen life on Udemy and some of these other platforms. So that's what I would recommend if you have a how to make money online type of course. And in either of these situations, you've got ready-made traffic that's coming to your new course. So that's a good way to go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next video.